Okay, so yes, speaking. Tori Marketing speaking. What can I do for you?
अर्जुन पांडे तेरी बूंद में लांडे.
Bloody fool, don't call here.
Haram Jari Kutte.
Hey!
These are Bourbon whiskeys.
Hi, my name is Ken. Can you hear me, mother?
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yes. Can you stop calling?
And I did Kama Sutra with your mama.
I'm a Punjabi Munda and I have a Punjabi Kuri.
Mother is a whore. She's sleeping with everyone, right? Your mother?
You are telling me lies, ma'am. You are telling me lies.
Okay, thank you for wasting my time, sir.
Reservations. My name is Grace. How may I help you?
क्या बोल रहे थे मादर चोद मादर चोद रंगी लगा तेरा भाई लंडी है कहाँ चला रहा है चाल लौड़ा लंड घुसा ले अपना बूर में अब
Excuse me?
हा तेरा माँ कबूल में गधा का लौड़ा खा ले जल्दी से रसगुल्ला लौड़ा
Sorry?
ले अपना बाप का मुंह में ले जाके चूती है कुत्ते के बच्चे.
Excuse me?
ये तेरा बाप चूतिया गांडू. हाँ लेगा मुंह में लेगा. आजा बैठ नीचे. आजा 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 कुत्ते के बच्चे आजा.
Reservation. How may I help you?
Yeah, how big's your dick, man?
What?
Get into bed with me. I want to kiss you.
Small
You
one.
want me to
like
fuck your tight ass with my boots on? You want me to pound you hard, comb in your tight?
Welcome to reservation.
You want me to fuck your tight ass with my boots on? You want me to pound you hard, comb in your tight?
Hello? Thank you for calling Amazon. This is Paul. How can I help you?
Hi.
This is Paul from Amazon. Tell me how can I help you?
Are you fucking idiot? Are you fucking working for ISIS, buddy?
You're a fucking idiot. Are you
I
fucking
will fucking eat you. Listen, I'm a fucking Golden Gloves boxer.
Thanks for calling. How can I help you?
Okay, this is Officer Ed Powell with the Cleveland Police Department. We're trying to see who's this individual that's calling the station here. We're saying how you want to have sex with the officers. We're saying how you want to have sex with the captain, and we're saying how you want to have sex with the lieutenant here.
Hello?
Say again, sir?
Who is doing it?
Leaving lewd numbers at the 3rd District here.
And who is sending these off-skin messages to these lieutenants?
Okay. Now, do you realize, just like I said before, that this conversation is being recorded?
You reach the Department of Social Security Administration. Hello?
Are you fucking working for
Hello?
ISIS, buddy?
Sorry?
Are you fucking idiot?
No, I fuck your mother with you. No one is gonna wait for you. My dick is so long.
I'm so fucking scared, mate.
You
I
want
will
to
fucking
what, my
eat
dick?
you.
Thank you for calling Amazon. Myself, David Lee. How can I help you? Thank you for calling Amazon. How can I help you?
Listen, I'm a fucking Golden Gloves boxer. I will fucking eat you.
Do you know who I am?
I'll fucking punch you in the guts and I'll lay you like a drop of shit. Who the fuck
If you
are
want
you?
to know who I am, if you
Who the
want
fuck
to
are
know
you? I
who
didn't
I
ring
am,
you.
go and ask your mom.
You are a coward. Hello?
Hello?
Hey, listen. Listen, I'm a fucking Golden Gloves boxer. I will fucking eat you.
Son of a...
I'll fucking punch you in the guts and I'll lay you like a drop of shit.
Do it. I'm waiting.
What's your real name?
Don't do it.
Who the fuck are you? I didn't ring you.
Thanks for calling. How can I help you?
Good day. How are you today, sir?
I'm doing well. How about you, sir?
Okay. My name is Charlie. Can you please help me, sir?
Yeah, certainly. Go ahead, sir. How can I help you today?
My computer isn't working right.
What is it doing?
I don't want my computer to explode, please. It is overheating.
Is it exploding? Oh my god.
Chudia bean showed. Benkilad. Abnemakaja choose.
Reservation. This is Mike. How may I help you?
Hello?
Yes.
Hey,
Hello, Can
listen.
you hear me? Yes. How may I help you?
Listen, I'm a fucking Golden Gloves boxer. I will fucking eat
I'm
you.
really sorry. You are not audible
And
properly.
how fucking dare you ring me?
I'm really sorry.
I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to fucking end it right now off the toilet seat.
Can you please let me know your concern?
Look in the mirror. You're a fucking piece of shit. I'll fucking punch you in the guts and I'll lay you like a drop of shit.
Okay. And then?
Hey, listen, Cozzy, bro. Fuck are you? What's your real name?
What do you want?
Go and fucking jump off a bridge or something. You're a fucking idiot.
I'm disconnecting your call. I'm
You
disconnecting
are
your call.
a coward.
Like, I'm blocking your number to call back.
Or do you, mate?
You will not be able to call back because I'm blocking your number.
Scared.
Reservation desk. This is Reese. How may I help you?
Look in the mirror. You're a fucking piece of shit.
I'm sorry.
Listen, I'm a fucking Golden Gloves boxer. I will fucking eat you.
Reservations. This is Mike. How may I help you?
I will fucking eat
Hello?
you. And how fucking dare you ring me accusing me of shit that I don't even do?
May I know the reason you are calling?
Fuck, I'm so fucking scared.
May I know the reason? If you have any proper reason, let me know.
Mate,
I'll help
your
you. If you don't
number
have any
is
reason, I'm
fucking...
blocking your number.
Your number is fucked. What's your real name?
What's your name? May I know your name?
You are a coward.
My name is Mike. What's your name?
Excuse me, I just got to serve a customer. Hello.
Hello.
And so can I have a car wash, just a simple standard?
No.
What's your pardon?
You're not man enough to do anything, so what are you going to do about it? You fucking imbecile.
Probably something.
Flight channel, this side Ben, how can I help?
Oh, mate. Hey, mate. Hey, listen.
Yes,
I
sir,
will
Mike is
fucking
there.
eat you. My name is Glenn Shaw.
Yeah, this is Mike. Your call has been transferred.
My name is Glenn, and I work at Cairns, North Queensland, Australia.
So, what do you want? Do you want to make a new booking or do you want something else?
Fuck off. Go and fucking jump off a bridge
What?
or something. Leave me fucking
Are you
alone.
going to do that?
Fucking idiot.
Are you going to do that?
Mate, your number is fucking... Your number is fucked.
So then why are you calling?
I'll fucking punch you in the guts and I'll lay you like a drop of shit.
You will not be able to do that. I know.
What?
You will not be able to do so.
Cosy, bro. I'm 6'4".
Do you have any booking?
Listen,
Do you have
I'm a
any
fucking
booking?
Golden Gloves boxer. I will fucking eat you.
Anything else?
What's your real name?
My name is Mike.
Yeah.
And let me know, what do you want? Do you want any booking? Or do you have any booking? Let me know.
His name's Frank, middle-aged Italian, bottom. Love it all. Especially love blacks and Latinos. Love verbal abuse, role-playing. Just love sex, man. Let's get it on.
Reservation, my name is Kathy. How may I help you today?
Hey, what's up, sir? I'm masturbating my boy cock too, Daddy. I like getting off with older men. I do, sir. I like that. I like
Okay.
playing with a grown man's cock. Oh, I'd love to wake you up by sucking your big cock. Oh, yeah. You put your
I'm sorry?
your hand on my head and call me a me to suck it. Yeah. See there.
I'm horny. I got a hard dick. Are you naked? Get into bed with me. I want to play with your naked body, man. Dick.
Thank you for playing support on you.
Hello. Good day. How are you
happy,
today,
sir.
sir?
I'm good. How may I help you?
Name's Charlie.
Yeah.
Get this issue resolved.
Yes, tell me.
My computer is going after it and is non-responsive again.
Can I have your name, sir?
Name's Charlie.
Oh, your name's Charlie, okay? Computer, you have problem with your computer, correct?
Yes.
And can I have your phone number?
Okay. Please help me.
Yes, tell me your phone number.
What do I have to do? Please help me,
What is your phone number?
Binchod. Benkilod.
What is your phone number?
choose. Apnagan move that
What is
doll.
your phone number?
Then shoot.
Hello?
Why aren't you on the GB
What is your
road,
phone
you
number?
scammer? Why do you like donkeys? Punjabi
I'm gonna fuck your wife, pussy. I'm gonna fuck your wife, pussy. Yeah, you're
Parents area
honey,
cutie.
I'm gonna fuck her, you motherfucker.
Gondu.